What's up, my dudes? It's been 1 year. 1 year that we first met each other. It was the same background. We were in the same location. The only thing is, I'm pretty sure I was really nervous. Right now, I'm excited because it's been a year. And I asked people on Instagram to give me questions to answer. So I did that. I recorded it with my camera. Then it didn't save. So I'm refilming it just for you guys, giving you guys the same energy. Let's roll the intro. Let's get it. Alright, how'd you like the intro, guys? Same intro, right? Boom. Let's get down to this. There was some questions I did on that live stream when I was recording both that I'm not going to be able to get to here because they asked me live. And the responses were just on par, like right away. And they got the answers. So, right here, right now, let's get down to these questions that were given to me through Instagram. Let's start with question number 1. This question comes from... I'm not going to say names. I'm just going to put the thing right here. So let's get it. This first one is, aside from YouTube, do you have any other work? My response, yes, I do. No, we don't count going to horror nights as a job. But I work at a grocery store. I am a customer service staff at this store. I work with people all day. I enjoy it. Everyone that works there, it's so much fun. It's so genuine. We all just love each other. We're one big family. But let's go to the next question. Number 2. What movie converted you to horrorism, and how old were you? This question, I've been thinking about it since I got it. I don't really think there's a movie itself that converted me into horrorism. If you don't know what horrorism is, it's basically a love for horror. Basically, if you love horror, you have horrorism. You want to watch Friday the 13th every Friday of the year. You have horrorism. You love horror movies, want to watch one every day of the year, kind of like I'm doing. You have horrorism. But I'm pretty sure the movie that really converted my horrorism was probably Child's Play or Goosebumps. And I want to say I was between 8 and 9. Between that age, like I was young. I was in elementary school. And it really fell on me. Well, let's get to the next question, baby. Do you think the Jets will be good next season? Now with the weird question, the Jets. The next question. What are your channel goals for the year? Well, personally, my channel goals last year were to just get everyone involved. Just have fun, just enjoy the videos, have fun, leading towards horror nights. And then going to horror nights together and experiencing everything together. This year, my channel goals are really to just get to 500 subscribers. I know it's not a giant milestone like most big YouTubers out there. I just want to get to 500. I feel like it's doable. We can do it. Just spread the word, guys. That's all we gotta do. And just have fun. Be able to meet some of you guys. Be able to just have fun. Interact with each other. Talk through social media like Instagram, Snapchat, all this stuff. And just be able to communicate and make new friends. Alright, let's go to the next question. This is a Horror Nights question. Which pass are you thinking about purchasing for HHN? Well, it all depends. If I get the opportunity to work the event, I'm not going to have to purchase a pass. But if I don't work the event, which has a huge possibility of not happening, I will be buying the same pass I bought last year, which was the Frequent Fear Plus, which was every night of the event, so that I can go as much as I can to be able to enjoy the event as much as I can. Next question. From speculations, what do you think about there being 12 rumored houses? I believe this should really be a real thing, and I hope it is. I hope it's not just something we read on the rumor forums like we did for 25 when they're like, oh, there's going to be 10 houses. We had 9, but we didn't have 10. So the big thing here is we had a lot of people at the event last year, which made it really packed and really convoluted. Therefore, I believe we need another house or another show to keep crowd levels down. Not down, but like at a minimum. Therefore, I think we should get 1 or 2 more houses. It just makes sense, guys. Am I wrong? I don't think so. Let's get to that next question. This next question, there's actually 2 that are very similar. And I want to say one was, why did you start the channel? And what inspired you to start your channel? This really made me think. What inspired me? I have to say, I told you guys my very first video. It was watching Justin Scard, watching Tim Tracker, watching View from the Cheap Seats, and watching Adam the Woo. Since then, I told you guys I met 3 of them. I just need to meet 1 more. Well, I met all 4 of them now. And I've actually met some other YouTubers that have also inspired me and showed me some really cool things as well. For example, Prince Charming Dev, and then Mr. Gonzo PR, and people like that that just really help me mold. And Eddytainment too. Everyone just helps me mold and have fun and meet new people and be able to create bigger spaces and have a family out here. So I started the channel because, this is the other part of the question, the other one, I wanted to have fun. I wanted to be able, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel since I was little, but I didn't have a camera. I just had my phone. So I had really bad quality. Now I have a camera and a phone that have really good quality. Therefore, I can record and bring you guys along with me and be able to have fun together. Get what I'm saying? I hope so. And I just want to have fun with you guys. That's it. Let's get to that next question. What are you looking forward to the most this year besides Halloween Horror Nights? That's a toughie, but I think I can answer. So there's a place I haven't been since last May. You guys came with me last time I went. It's a little place in a big world. Yes, I'm talking Disney World. I'm going there next month. Therefore, I feel like we should all enjoy Disney World together for my birthday. My birthday's next month. We're going to Disney together, guys. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. I hope you can't wait. Let's get it. And we also have a lot of things planned. A lot. But right now, all we know for sure is that we're going to Disney World. Okay. Next question. Oh, no, wait. I didn't properly answer that. Hold on. What I'm really looking forward to the most this year is just being able to engage more with you guys and have more fun. But next question. Okay, we're gonna go back to Horror Nights here. What was the best and worst house I have ever been through at Horror Nights? The best house is a toss-up, but it's up there. My best, I'll go intellectual property and original because I just feel like it's fair. Best intellectual property house I've ever been into, Poltergeist. Best original house, 25 years, Jack Presents 25 Years of Monsters and Mayhem. Now let's go to the worst part of that. Worst IP I've ever been into, Resident Evil Escape from Raccoon City. Worst original, A Chance in Hell, Lunatic's Playground, whatever that was. That. Worst. Okay. Same question, but going on to scare zones. We have best scare zone and worst scare zone. I feel like this is a lot easier to answer. IP, just straight out. The best scare zone to me is a toss-up between Trick or Treat and the Chucky scare zone from last year. This past year. They're just so good. I personally love Trick or Treat. It's a favorite movie of mine. You guys know that a lot. And I know that because that's my favorite movie. But the worst scare zone? I'd have to say Altars of Horror from last year. Didn't do much. Well, 27. Didn't do much for me. It was just a scare zone. Next question. Okay. House or scare zone that they haven't done yet at the event that could be the best ever. I don't know. Horror Nights can put an egg in a haunted house and it'll be the best house ever. I'm joking. But houses that are their original houses can really just strive. If they put a lot of their original properties like Scarecrow, Dead Exposure, Seeds of Extinction, stuff like that into a house together, one house. It's a wrap. Best ever, hands down. What was my favorite memory from Horror Nights last year? HHN 28. So my favorite memory from last year, there's probably a few. Probably being able to go with my girlfriend for the first time to Horror Nights. That was pretty cool. She got to experience for the first time everything. We got to go through Scary Tales first. Maybe taking my cousin Sophia. She got to dance with Academy of Villains. Yeah, she's young, I know. I critique taking young people to Horror Nights, but it's fun. She enjoyed herself, all in all. Or just altogether, the experience, being able to have fun, being able to interact with a lot of the scare actors and just have fun. That's mainly what HHN 28 consisted of for me. I had a lot of fun this year. Oh, and meeting Justin Scarred at Horror Nights. That too. Next question. Okay. So my girlfriend wanted to ask a few questions herself here. Okay. There's a few, but they kind of go together. So I asked them in line. She said, when are you going to put more videos of things other than Horror Nights? I already said I'm going to Disney, guys. I'm going to Disney. And me and her are going to do a lot of stuff together, too. Those are going to be coming. You're going to get some couple vlogs. We're going to have fun. Next question from her. Why can't you do challenges? You want to do a challenge, babe? You want to do a challenge? Talking to you right now. Look at me when I talk to you, babe. We'll do a challenge real soon. Love you. And then final question of basically all the Q&A. It's from her still. It's more like a continuation from the challenges thing. She was like, we want to see more videos like challenges or pranks. Any challenges or pranks? You want to get pranked too? It's not just challenges, you want pranks? Alright, bet. Bet. It's going to be fun. 2019 will be a better year than 2018. 2018 was phenomenal. I had so much fun. I enjoyed it. And I'm never going to forget it. I want to thank everyone out there that liked my videos, subscribed to my channel, commented on my videos, or has messaged me saying thank you, or not thank you, but like, you know what I mean, messaging me. Thank you guys for being such great people. And I'm going to keep this going. I'm going to keep going with this YouTube thing. I'm having a lot of fun. And if I'm not mistaken, so for the first time in this new Losh TV year, stay excellent, my dudes.